Hey there, everybody. So I've been getting a lot of requests about the Ram Rebel lift kit, the one with the air suspension. So what we got here is a 2019 Ram Rebel, and I just recently put a 2-inch leveling kit on the front end because this truck has air suspension. So what I wanted to do is figure out how can I get 35s on a truck on my own without having to pay big money for a lift kit. So like I said, we put a 2-inch spacer on the front. It's Motofab, and then an Airlinks leveling link kit as well. If we take a look, that little gray thing right there is the leveling Airlink kit. What we have here is 35-inch tires. They are 12.5 inches wide on 18-inch rims. The modifications we had to do for this truck is trim the fender liner right here. And there used to be a little guard right here, but I've taken that off. You don't have to trim that much of the fender liner. You certainly can, but I try to keep it as minimalistic as possible so I can avoid rubbing. This tire is currently, or at least the truck is in its lowest setting, the entry exit setting. So you can see how low the truck is currently sitting. The tires in the front, they do rub a little bit in this setting. However, once you get into ride mode Aero and Off-Road 1 and Off-Road 2, there's absolutely no rubbing at all. So I'll give you a quick walk around. This is the front. This is the back. And this is, again, in entry exit mode. So give me a moment. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it and show you what it looks like in Off-Road 1 mode. All right, so now we have it in normal ride height, Off-Road 1 mode, and you can see how much taller the truck sits. We are not currently on a flat surface because the driveway is a little bit sloped, but overall, the truck is lifted 2 inches in the front, nothing in the rear, so that it's level. And you can see that these 35s, they look so clean. What we have here is the Defiant DF03 Wheels on those 35-inch tires. And in this setting, it does not rub, not in the slightest. I've also taken this truck off-road a few times, taken it rock crawling, many different things. These tires are fantastic. They do not make loud noises on the highway. They are super quiet. They are way better than stock. They have so much good grip off-road. You can see the lugs on here. They're so chunky, but so good. At the same time, you can see that it's mud and snow rated, triple peak. These are Toyo Open Country AT3s. Fantastic tire, highly, highly, highly recommend. Give you another walk around here. See the front of it. And on the other side. These are fantastic tires. This truck sits so nicely on these. Highly recommend. I got these off of Custom Offsets. Their website got them mounted and balanced, all from Custom Offsets. Fantastic service. Shipping was relatively quick. They're gonna come on an 18-wheeler through the neighborhood and drop off a pallet at your house. Very nice to have. It came with the TPMS sensors. Only thing I had to do was literally just put it on the truck, call it a day. Well worth it. Makes the truck look way better than stock. It's almost got a TRX look. It's got such a wide stance. The nice part about it is these wheels, they don't poke out that far from the body, so they're not kicking up a whole lot of rocks. But overall, fantastic on-road, fantastic off-road, very quiet. Fuel efficiency, I'm not gonna lie, terrible, absolutely terrible. I get about 16, maybe 15 miles per gallon in the city, and you know, on average, if you're hypermiling it, keeping it at the speed limit on the highway, you can get it up to maybe 18, 19 miles per gallon. But I didn't buy these wheels for MPGs. I bought it for performance, looks, and overall satisfaction. 10 out of 10. Love these wheels, tires, combo. Love the truck in general. No complaints. Works. It's a fantastic setup.